All right, we got a 2025 Subaru Legacy. This is how you service the cabin filter. Open the glove box. The cabin filter is actually located behind the glove box door. Okay, you can see it right there. To give you better access, we're going to lower the cabin, the glove box door. Come over here, disconnect the damper. Actually disconnected a little bit too far, so I'll show you what to do about that when we get in there. Okay, this is actually the damper. Comes off pretty easily, so we'll put that back here in a second. So you have these stoppers right here that stop the glove box from opening. You need to push the glove box in, pull down on both sides to get it to come down all the way. So it comes down all the way. Go ahead and put this damper back to where it needs to be. We'll just get it back up in here. You see this hole that's right here? It just clips right on here on the side like that. Pretty much just like this right here. It's all made to come apart. And you notice that the glove box came off the hinge. It's made to do that. So if it comes off, it's not a big deal, okay? Cabin filter is located in this box here. To open the door, we squeeze these clips and then we pull towards us, towards yourself, like that. See these clips here? Take the door off, and then here's your cabin filter. Go ahead and pull it out. This is a factory cabin filter. You can tell because it says up with the square and this arrow. This one's pretty clean. We're not recommending this one today. To get your new one, you just slide it in there. If you need a filter, I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon, and it'll be in the description box and in the comment box. It'll be for a premium filter, which is a little bit better than this one. It has it's a little thicker. It has charcoal built into it to help you out with the odors. But those filters, okay, will say airflow on them and have an arrow. And we need the arrow pointing down. The air flows down because you notice that the filters, they get dirty on the top. That's because they're pulling the air down. Okay. You need one of those? Check one of those out. Now, so we're going to get the door. I'm going to stick it in here on the top first because it has these tabs that need to go in first. It'll be a little hard to see because you can't really see it. So, and I'm doing this with the wrong hand. I'm going to line it up. There, slap it on. There we go. Get our door, put it back on the hinge. All we have to do, we're going to make sure this is not hanging down in the way, by the way. Put it on the hinge, like that. Pushing on it to hold it against where it needs to be. And we're going to close it. And then we go to the damper, click it back on. And we're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, leaving a like, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching the video.